What's up, amazing fam? It's me, Amazing Joseph. AJ by the name it's called now. And today, I just bought something mildly cool. I don't know, I'll let you guys judge that. If you like this video, that means what you've seen is pretty cool. If you dislike it, comment down below and let me know. Okay, on to the video. Look what I just got. Ta-da! The Zacian V League Battle Deck. We're gonna open this baby up. But let's see on the outside. See, it's got Zacian... I don't know how to pronounce it. You guys pronounce it for me. I only have a bit of battery left, so let's make this quick. Arceus, Dialga, and Palkai GX Tag Team. This is what I've been looking for many. Well, actually, ever since Cosmic Eclipse came out, I was looking for that. That's why I got the trainer box, guys. That's why. Now, we got two, whatever these are called. Okay, good. Now let's open it up. Here's the back. Anyway. Oh, okay. Don't know what these are. Oh, what's this? Guys, no worries, just this. And then, oh, it's pretty cool. Guess it's an instruction manual or something. Pokemon trading card game rules. Well, I already know about them. Okay. Hold on. I'm using a different device, so I can't pause, do this, and then, show it to you guys. I might have to do this later so you guys wouldn't hear it. Oh, no! Oh. Gotcha. Nothing happened. Just a bunch of it fell out. Shooty tooty. Dice. Oh! I can't believe it's already a little bent. Can you believe that? Can you really? I'm trying to be quick so that my phone won't run out, so that I'll be able to upload it. Good. I'll do a review of all my good Pokemon in the next video. Okay. Now, let's open this baby up.
I've got some reminders for everyone.
Don't mind. That's just Google. Okay, we have a deck of cards, so I don't think I need to do that card trick. Just need to look through it. I think it said on the box what I had, but I ain't gonna check. Good. Mallow and Lana, tag team. Trainer tag team. Guzma and Hala, I think in my last video I got that tag team. Quick Ball. Professor's Research. Professor Mangola. So I'll put all the trainers over here, and then I'll put the items over there. So supporters and items. 2 quick balls. Oh, and then I got an energy. And then I got a metal sorcerer. Oh, I got a Jarchi. Aw, it's nice. I'm gonna put Pokemon over there. Marini? I don't know. It'll be quicker. Boss's orders. Giovanni. That's Giovanni. Metal type energy. Oh, and then we got a Galarian Zigzagoon. Scoop up net. Switch. Energy switch. Whoa. Another Jarchi. Yeah. Another Marine. Or whatever. What is this? Who's this Pokemon? Angeru or something like that. Another minute. Now I'm just gonna show you guys. You could name all of them in the comments. Switch. I'm gonna put stadiums over there. Energies are over here. Break catcher. Switch. Scoot. Okay. Jarchi. Another one. Energy switch. My phone might die soon, so I'm gonna come up with the Mewtwo. I'm gonna count. Oh, Galarian Persiker. I never heard of this Pokemon anyway. Like him though. Another one of those. Another one of her. Ooh, a big charm. Oh, and then I got a Galarian Meowth. This is what a Galarian Meowth looks like. And then that evolves into the. Okay, now I know the evolution of Meowth, and I didn't know there was a Galarian. Guys, my sister got a new LOL doll. You want to see it? Don't care. You're gonna see it anyway. Comment down below if you like her. And if you know her name.
Her name is Dara.
JJ!
Okay, I'll give you a clue. It starts with a D.
Again. Energy. Ooh, a tag call. I don't know what that is, but it sounds good. What? Another Rangaroo? Boss's orders again. Another Marine. Another switch. Another energy. Yeah, so these are just all stuff that you've seen before, except for this Aurora energy.
I want to see Aurora.
Oh. That's
Where's the Aurora?
JJ, it's just this.
Oh.
Oh, wow, that's from 2020. I didn't know why. Thought it was an old card. Oh! Whoops, that's an energy. Just had, like, the item or trainer card thing. So, I thought it was... Okay, another trainer, another net. That. Stop, JJ. And that. I guess we'll do the recap tomorrow. Plus my other Pokemon, but these are the only good cards apparently. Okay, I'll see if I could get the Eternatus V-Box, and hopefully that we could open it soon, pretty soon. I'll catch you on the amazing side. Goodbye, amazing people. Wait, don't forget, and before I end this video, please subscribe. If you don't subscribe, something very unlucky may happen. 40, 60 million, thousand, whatever highest number there is, G plus times. So you better subscribe to get good luck. Also, share this video with your other friends. Go check out my other videos. That would be nice. Like this video, please, and comment what you liked about it. This was a pretty short video, only 10 minutes or something, but have an amazing day. That was AJ signing off. Goodbye.